Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Have you ever wanted to hide a folder on your desktop so well that it's completely invisible? In today's video, I'll show you a simple trick to do just that. But before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment to stay updated on all our tips and tricks. Let's get started. First of all, you need to select the folder which you want to hide. Select the folder name and press backspace key. The name will be removed. Then, press Alt on the keyboard. Holding the key, enter the command 0160 on the number lock keyboard. Then, release Alt and press Enter. And the name of the folder has been successfully removed, or you may say hidden. After that, right-click on Folder and click on Properties. Then on Customize and then on the Change icon. Select the icon which is blank. Then click OK. Again click on OK. And there you have it. Your hidden folder is now completely invisible, yet still accessible with a click. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more awesome tech tips. Also, drop a comment below if you have any questions or if there's a topic you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.